Hi everybody, ready to level up your public speaking skills? Whether you are presenting in a classroom or commanding attention in a boardroom, these 7 essential tips will help you speak with confidence and impact. Let's dive in and transform your speaking game and join me in this journey of self mastery and unveil your true potential. Watch this entire video and let's get started. Hi, hello, and welcome everyone to my channel at Profound Insights, a journey of learning, inspiration, and discovery where you can learn, grow, and share. Today, we will deep dive into another fascinating topic, so get ready to unlock a world of knowledge and excitement. Before we proceed further, please click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to get a notification of insight content, and this will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Without further delay, let's jump right in. 7 public speaking tips to take you from classrooms to boardrooms. Introduction. Public speaking is a crucial skill for students and young professionals to master. Whether presenting in class, delivering a business pitch, or addressing a large audience, effective public speaking can boost confidence, create impact, and open doors to new opportunities. Mastering the art of public speaking is essential for students and young professionals, offering the potential to boost confidence, leaving a lasting impact, and unlock exciting opportunities. Here are 7 powerful strategies to enhance your public speaking abilities and excel in various settings, from classrooms to business pitches and beyond, which students and young professionals can use. Craft a compelling opening. Grab your audience attention from the start with a powerful opening line, an intrigue anecdote, or a thought provoking question that immediately engages their interest. Tell stories to connect. Stories are a powerful tool to captivate and connect with your audience. Share personal anecdotes or relevant narratives that illustrate your key points and make your message more relatable and memorable. Master nonverbal communication. Remember that communication is not just about words. Pay attention to your body language, posture, facial expressions, and gestures. Maintain eye contact, use confident gestures, and employ vocal variety to enhance your delivery and convey your message effectively. Use visual aids strategically. Visual aids such as slides can enhance your presentation, but use them purposefully. Make sure they support your message and avoid overwhelming your audience with too much text or complex visuals. Practice active listening. Effective public speaking involves more than just speaking. Actively listening to your audience by acknowledging their reactions, asking for feedback, and adapting your delivery accordingly. Engage in audience interaction. Encouraging audience participation by incorporating interactive elements into your presentation. This can include asking questions, conducting polls, or organizing small group discussions. Active participation keeps your audience engaged and fosters a dynamic learning environment. Embrace authenticity. Be yourself and embrace your unique style. Authenticity creates a genuine connections with your audience and instills confidence in your message. Emphasize your passion and eagerness to leave a lasting impression. Remember to practice regularly, seek feedback, and continue honing your abilities. With time, dedication, and a commitment to growth, you will become a confident and impactful speaker ready to excel in any public speaking engagement that comes your way. I hope you enjoyed this video and the information was useful in unveiling your true potential. Stay tuned for more such informative videos that can make your life better and more fruitful. As we wrap up this incredible journey together, remember that the adventure doesn't end here. Keep listening to other such videos or profound insights under the Self Mastery Unveil Your True Potential playlist. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Until next time, stay inspired and keep reaching the stars. Thank you.